Hello learners, you're welcome to Edu Compact. So today we are looking at computer basics. We call it basic, like foundation. Computer basics is for people that have little or no knowledge about computer. It's not for advanced computer users, but for people that are just starting out. So on our today's class, before we begin, my name is Ubon Edem. By the grace of God, I'm a computer engineering postgraduate student. So today I'll be talking on computer. You are going to see today why computer is different from other electronics. So you are welcome once again. The first point we are treating today is what is computer. You cannot use what you don't know. I believe you have been told what computer is. But at the end of this lesson, you will be able to see with me that before now, what you have known, where they tell you that computer is simply an electronic device that accepts data as input, processed to give information as output. I'm not saying that the definition is wrong, but it is not sufficient. As a computer engineer, I'm going to show you why computer is different from other electronics, and that makes it what it is, and that also affects our definition. So what is computer? Computer is a programmable electronic that accepts data as input, processes to give information as output. So we have added something to the definition that you already know. Remember, I said that computer, the definition that you know is not sufficient to explain what it is. Just like saying that man was created in the image of God, is created to be like God, but that doesn't mean that man is God. I know we have some things that make us look like God, but God is God. There are some characters, there are some things that make him who he is. For instance, he is omniscient. He knows everything. He is omnipotent. He has all the power. He is omnipresent. He is everywhere. Human beings are not everywhere. Just like computer that we are discussing today, computer is different from every other electronics because it is programmable. We have answered the second question. How is computer different? We just answered the question of how computer is different from other electronics. That is, computer is programmable. So if I ask you now what is computer, and you just tell me that computer is just electronic device that accepts data as input, processes to give information, I will not give you 100 over 100. Instead, I may graciously give you 60 over 100, because this single thing makes computer what it is. Computer is programmable. That is to say that you can tell computer to act anyhow you want it to act. You can tell the computer to behave the way you want it to behave, but you cannot do that with other electronics. For instance, your pressing iron is an electronic, right? But it is only meant to hit the coil. Once the coil inside the pressing iron is hot, it will hit the metal surface. Then we use the metal surface to press our clothes. It cannot be used to do any other thing. You have many other electronics. Look at your radio. Your radio is only meant to receive signals, to receive audio signals. We have several electronics. The computer is different from all of them because computer is what? Programmable. Thank you. So, and there is something that makes computer programmable. There is something that makes computer to be programmable. There is one thing that makes it programmable. It's just like saying God is different from man. Sorry that I mentioned God. God cannot sin, but men do sin. Men sin. Even Paul said that the things that he didn't want to do, he's seeing himself doing them. So today, going back to our definition, the computer is programmable electronic that accepts data as input, processes to give information as output. We can say that computer is a programmable IPO machine. There is one thing that makes computer programmable. That thing is called microprocessor. So that is what makes computer programmable. In fact, somebody might give you a system unit. Some people call it CPU. I am here today to correct that notion that what you carry around, the base, what you carry around like box, are not called CPU. They are called system unit. It is the microprocessor that is called the CPU, Central Processing Unit, because it is what gives the computer the ability to process data, ability to change raw facts, which are data, to processed data, which we call information. You can see here with me that computer is made for three things: data, which is input, process, and information, which is what? Output. So that is it. Please, if you have any question, you can ask the question through the comment section of this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel to be updated on educational ideas. Thank you so much.